Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Node It All. Today we're going to cover a coin called Wealth Silo. And right now it doesn't look like they're listed on Masternodes and online, so what we're going to have to do is check out another website here called mnode.club. Actually, this website was just acquired by Masternodes and online. Anyways, guys, here's the action today on Wealth Silo. Roughly around 987% ROI, a daily income of around $2.50. Guys, this is a node that's worth around $100, so it's kind of a low entry. So kind of a lower risk type deal. So maybe check this one out if you guys are looking to just get started in the Masternode realm of things and not really looking to take big risk. Alright guys, so let's just go through the checklist here. Their daily volume is, I don't know if this site does daily volume, but the current pricing is around 3 cents right now. I'm going to go check out their Discord here. It looks like they're pretty active. They have, looks like they do an announcement like around once a week here. They say that they're working on their partnerships, Masternode projects, more marketing promotions. Guys, they're doing marketing, which is a good sign. It means they want to get the word out about their coin. So let's check out some other information here that they've posted. Looks like they're on Delta app, so you can track your wealth portfolio. Let's see, let's check out their website here. The next generation currency, Wealth Silo, will initiate a business plan to introduce the public to Masternode investment and its interest generating capabilities. Okay, so it looks like they have a plan for an exchange, a bank, a loan type deal, and looks like a card. Looks like they also have some charity organizations that are going to be doing some shared Masternode services and an easy to build up Masternode monitoring as well. Guys, it looks like they have an exposed team, so that's great news. Let's check out some of their links here. John Payne is the CEO and founder. Let's check out their LinkedIn profile here real quick. Guys, this is all great stuff so far. They're being very transparent. They have a full team here, so that's good news. Looks like they've been active since July of this year. Well, John here has a bachelor's degree in applied sciences at the University of Phoenix. Good for him. And I'm glad that he started this project. Looks like a great project here, John. So that's great. Take a look a little bit further here. They got a white paper we can check out. Just give a quick check to this to see what they got going on here. We're looking for a use case here, guys. That's the most important thing we're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for use case. Let's see how they're. Okay, so they talk about how much it is to cost to mining a Bitcoin. Obviously, it's a lot more inexpensive to run a Masternode. Of course, we all know that. That's why we're in the Masternode space, because we don't want to deal with mining Bitcoin. So that's good. So looks like they also want to do some sort of ICO templates. Wealth Silo users can buy and exchange for Wealth Silo tokens in a potential ICO. The shares tokens are utilized as a form of equity to leverage against financial transactions and business deals. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so automated Masternode sharing functions. So I guess they'll be using their currency to pay for services like that. That's very good. That's what a lot of these cryptocurrencies are doing today. Let's see if they actually have a live product here. I don't see pre-mine 3%. I also don't see a block explorer. See if we can find that. Here we go, Block Explorer. Yep, let's check out the coin distribution here, guys. As you know, that's a big part of the equation here a lot of the time. So it looks like the top 25 wallets definitely are under the 50% mark, and I would say that this top wallet here is probably the pre-mine wallet. That's good. It doesn't look like there's any movement going on here, so that's good. Looks like they're being pretty transparent about what they're spending pre-mine on, I would hope. So right now there's around 172 active Masternodes. The daily income is around 87 coins a day, and I think I said before it's roughly around 3 cents a token right now. Now this ROI is showing a little bit different than mnode.club. Maybe take an average there. It's probably just taking an average of that. So that's interesting. They also have a luck percentage here calculated for you, so you can see, if your node is being lucky or unlucky today. That's cool, because I guess these payments are random, so that's what they're displaying here. As far as volume is concerned, guys, I'm going to assume that it has low volume because it's a low dollar value Masternode, so maybe consider less on that because it's a smaller investment. I would say that it's probably going to be less of a risk. If this is like one of your first Masternodes, then maybe this could be for you guys. I don't also see, which I didn't like, is that obviously they don't have a working platform yet. Let's check out their roadmap here. New coins added to platforms. Okay, so we're in October, so we should be expecting a platform being built, if not already built. Okay, here we go, Masternode hosting platform. Okay, so they do actually have a platform here. I correct myself here. Okay, So let's just check this out. Looks like you can go ahead and build a Masternode on their site here. Very good. Good. I'm going to say that this is good. And so for Bitcoin Talk thread, obviously they have a newbie member, which isn't good. They started this, I think, like I said, around July. I believe the profile here kind of indicated. They started working on this in July of 2018. And so looks like they started the arent thread in August. It's all right. I mean, you look at it around, 3 months have gone by and not much activity going on here, but enough. This coin is really undervalued. The community should be more active and push it. There we go. I would agree that this is definitely an undervalued project if they do, which they have a live platform here where you can launch Masternodes. I will say that I like the look of the site and, looks pretty good from what I see. So you have to register here and kind of go through the motions of how they go about their business here. So you guys can check it out, platform.wealthsilo.io. They need more exposure. They for sure need to be listed on bigger and better exchanges, as the guy said in the arent thread. I will say this, that it is a low entry. It is a low risk for looks like to be a potential big reward. I'm going to rate this project, product-wise, a 6.5 out of 10 because it looks to be like it's online. I personally have not used it myself. However, it looks like they are hosting around 42 Masternodes right now, and I'm not sure how much the cost is. I did not get into that detail here, but let's just you know what? Let's register real quick and see what the deal is here. All right, so that's good. They make sure you guys have like a strong password set. Daily Masternode server charges is 10 cents in wealth. Okay, so that's roughly around 3 coins a day. Guys, that's pretty cheap. I'm not going to lie. That's around 10 cents a day. It's very reasonable price-wise. So, yeah, guys, overall, 6.5 out of 10 for right now. Their prices could use a little help. Obviously, the market, they need some more exposure. So, guys, Bitcoin Talk thread. They got an Newbie Talk thread. They have an exposed team. The use case for the coin is good because it's utilizing the coin for their services. Looks like the team is legit. They got a full LinkedIn profile here, and all of them are exposed. So that's great. Looks like their Discord is doing really well. They're very active there. So that's great. Like I said, guys, overall, 6.5 out of 10. This looks like a promising project with a lot of future development and progress that will benefit them. All right, guys, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you guys check out my Discord link in the bottom, and we'll see you next time.